So hello everyone, we are going where we are going
Baijnath Para.
once more.
Baijnath Para.
We are going to Baijnath Para. This is our night out. It's 11 o'clock and my brother told me that there was lot of food items. Say something.
What can I say?
He don't want to say anything. So what I did today, let's start. I read something about coloring the rooftop. I My room is at top floor, and I just want to make this summer cool. So I just want to paint the rooftop of my room to white color. So it will reduce 4 to 5% of room temperature. So I search about how many types of colors available and which color is good and what is the scientific reason of having it. It reflects the right light about 80%, 80 to 90% right UV rays get reflected. This is what I read today, and I will apply this on my room. Here you can see we are at Bharat Mata Chowk. We are at Bharat Mata Chowk. I can't show my brother because he's driving. And I read about this, and I didn't write anything today, right now, till now. And oh, something is happening there. So I didn't write anything, I didn't listen anything right now, but I opened a TED talk on how to be memorable person, something like that. So it will be good. The topic was very interesting. It can be listenable. So I will try to listen it after this journey. I got a call from Rahul, and he is also joining our journey of today's food fair, you can say. So from last few days I was not able to post videos just because I was traveling, and I just show you some clips of train and all. I was editing a video on how which college is good at Chhattisgarh. So it will be post soon. You will able to access it. If you want something else, you can just comment me down what should be our next video. And from last 2-3 days I think I was not posting my growth journal because I was not able to read anything. I started a book which is 0 to 1, which was very good and nice, but I was not able to read it just because of my journey. And me and Rahul just did this, that we didn't fall asleep for 30 hours, and it's been a very long time, and 30 hours is very huge. Me and Rahul was like look like an addicted person, and an alcoholic person who just come and drunk person, you can say. We look like that, and our mind gets shut, and we were not able to process anything. Even though when we are booking tickets, the price of two ticket was 14 into 2 1400 into 2, and we were not able to do that. Also we opened calculator to do 1400 into 2, and our mental health was get damaged a lot. We didn't sleep for 30 hours only, and after that we slept for I personally slept for 14 hours, but with a break of 2-3 hour break, and we come back from Pune to Raipur in bus. So the bus journey, we both have motion sickness, and we were not able to do. It was not very good experience with bus when we do that. So it was all about our journey, what we do. Do you feel motion sickness, Saif Ahmed, in bus?
No.
No. So he say he has no motion sickness. He feel good while he was traveling in bus. So, but it was very difficult for us for traveling with bus. It was a good bus with AC and good experience. But here we are at Telgani Naka Chowk, and this is the first time I was going that night in Raipur. We also enjoy nightlife of Pune, but it was not enjoyable. The Pune is now get shut down after 11 because of the Pune car crash. So the government there took a step and shut down the city after 11. It was a good initiative, but just for a one incident, you can't shut the whole city. It damaged a lot of businesses and all. Yay! Here it is all open. We didn't know this. It's all open till 11. But lot of shops get shut down, as you see beside me right now. The whole MG road, this is MG road, right? The whole MG road is shut down. It was very silent, and very few people are traveling here. Right now we were crossing graveyard. Assalamu alaikum ya Ahl al-Kabur. So we were saying salam to people who were not with us. This place looks like something open here. Some few stores, few shops are open here, but the people here were very few. This is the Dargah. We cross, and few people were just having a chill after Salah. Salah means prayer of Muslim, and some people know it like it's a namaz. So we were enjoying it. It was good experience of having this at night. We will meet soon. I'm going to pause the video.
This is the starting point of our
So
market.
we reached at Gol Bazaar, and it was all shut. There are very few people here with us, but few of the clothing shops are open. Did you see the whole market? So we don't have mic, So we use we don't have mic, so we use our phone. Everyone is making fun of us, but what we have to do with it? We do with it. What next? We are waiting for Rahul Bhaiya. Then we will explore the whole area. Let me show you the crowd.